This video is going to cover how to set a BMW radio in radio service mode. This is a 2003 E39 with the MK4 navigation system. As you can tell from the display, the earlier cars use a little bit different method, but this is the standard way to use it with a car that has navigation and, say, has the BMW radio or 2002 and newer. So the first step is turn the radio on using the volume button, then turn the radio off, turn the radio on, and press and hold the select button immediately after turning on. This car has been upgraded with the latest BMW radio and BMW MP3 CD changer, and that's what you saw on the screen with the ID3 tags. Now you're in radio service mode. You can see all the radio detailed information, the software of the radio, build dates, everything, as well as the speed sensitive volume control, GAL. You can adjust this level to whatever you desire, whatever works best for your application. I think setting a 3 is a pretty fair setup. You can also see frequency information like signal strength and radio stations and all those other kind of details. In this particular unit, this has the service mode for the CD player, since this is a special version with a CD in the unit. As well as the CD of the unit, so the CD changer and then the CD of the unit is showing us playing an MP3, track 1, 01, etc. This car is not equipped with a DSP amplifier, otherwise it would say number 1 right there. This has no DSP or 0. TP volume is traffic patrol. That's a feature in Europe, but also it affects volume control. You can, using the 1 and 2 buttons, you can adjust those to whatever volume you want, and it kind of does have an effect on some things like such as Bluetooth or other audio inputs into the radio. So that's something you can play with. Area. This radio has areas of Europe and USA, Japan, Oceania, etc. So your choice on which area you want to set it to. Some radios don't have all those functions. BMW radios do not have European function. BMW radios do not have USA function. This is a special one that has them all. This has a CD player built into it, so it's a little bit special radio. So that's why you see some extra features on here you would not normally see. Then basically going through all those options, you can see, and to save the settings, just turn the radio off and turn it back on, and it'll restart once the radio has a chance to reboot. But pretty straightforward radio service mode in a BMW.